Adrien. I'm working at SensioLabs as a Symfony expert. I've been working in the IT industry for more than 15 years on a lot of exciting projects. At SensioLabs, we are always on the lookout for talented and passionate individuals who want to contribute to building innovative solutions for the web. As an expert here, one of the main things that we look for is a strong background in PHP development and experience working on complex web projects. In my own experience at SensioLabs, I found that being an expert here means constantly learning and pushing yourself to become better. The company has a strong culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration, which means that as an employee, you have access to some of the brightest minds in the industry. Overall, becoming an expert at SensioLabs means having a strong technical background, a passion for innovation, a willingness to learn and grow, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. Yes, I've passed the Symfony certification, and I believe it's an important credential for any PHP developer who wants to demonstrate their expertise in the Symfony framework. A certification is a plus for an expert because it provides an objective measure of their knowledge and skills. It also provides a roadmap for continuous learning and development. Finally, certification is a way to gain recognition and credibility within the industry. As an expert at SensioLabs, I have various kinds of missions to help our client and community succeed with Symfony and other web solutions. One of my main missions is to perform quality audits, which involves reviewing client codebase to identify potential issues, provide recommendations, and suggest best practices. Another important mission is to provide customized coaching and training to our clients or members of the Symfony community. This can involve anything from one-to-one sessions to in-depth workshops. Moreover, I'm also working on research and development projects around new emerging technologies. To sum up, the goal of the expert role is to provide our clients with personalized support and expertise wherever and whenever they need it, while ensuring high-quality deliveries. Thank you.